We got Lakeview Hospital, and this shit is really known for being fucking haunted. And there might be a security guard here. We don't know yet, but I keep hearing shit already. But they said that there's people that explode here, and they always hear cries and screams and knocks and walking softly. We catch it on tape, and there's not no fucking security guard. Yo, it's probably the ghost fucking with us, nigga. Remember, it's an asylum.
It's the freezer.
That's just probably fucking with all of us.
I heard it upstairs, I swear.
Right here. There's definitely every something following us because we all hearing this from different places, guys. It's fucking bugged out.
Oh, you heard that?
I heard that. I thought that was you.
You heard the other, right?
No, I heard.
I heard metal move.
You heard that again? Let's get the fuck out of here. Let's get the fuck out of here. Yo, it could be sun.